Hi, this is Linda Price, and I wanted to come to you today to show you a few little things about what I'm working on and how to use them in your journals. Well, I'm working on a new journal. I haven't really started filling it up yet, and I haven't done the cover. I've just done the pages, some of the pages, not all of them. And but I wanted to use this as an example of how to use the things that I'm making. And okay, so the first thing I wanted to show you are these fabric snippets. And they're made out of 100% cotton. It's actually cotton quilting fabric. And I try to use the best fabric I can find, the best cotton fabric I can find. And these snippets are a pretty good size. They come 5 to a set. And I try to change up the way I decorate them on each one. And when you turn them over, they have a pretty good size clip to use. So just to give you an example, let me just try this one. This is my red set. I haven't put these on Etsy yet, but I will be, and they're actually a lot more redder than this. This almost looks pink, but they're pretty red. So they'd be nice for a journal with a lot of color. Or maybe not much color and you just want to highlight some colors. But not journals that have a lot of pinks and things like that. So I know a lot of people like journals that have more color in them. And just to give you an example of how to use them, let me put these down. Okay, I've got a page here. And what you do is you take the clip, put it on the journal. You could put it up here, and you could clip other things, papers inside. And like I said, it's a pretty good size clip. Or you could take them, put them down at the bottom of the journal, like this, and have like a little tuck area. And you could stick things in here. Or you could put them at the top, like this. And just a nice little addition to your pages. Or if you don't want the clip, I use the hot glue to put them on, so they're very sturdy. But I've had to take some of these clips off, and they do come off. I mean, you don't rip the fabric or anything, but they can come off. So if you don't want the clips, and if you order them and you don't want clips, I can just send, maybe you want the clip on this side to go over here on this side. And I could just send you the clips separately in a little packet with the little snippets. And then you can put them on yourself wherever you want to put them. So that's the red set. Now the ones I do sell, and I've sold quite a few of them, this set right here is more for the wildflowers. And it's more for, you know, wildflower journals or things like that. Not roses. If you're doing a very nature-themed journal, they would work really well. And to give you an idea of what they would look like, I'll just use this one right here. Put that down here. To put it on the side of this page, let me just get a bit better page that's got more weight to it. there's one that looks really nice with that page because it's like a very plain brown, tan, off-white, and you can see that in the fabric it's got those similar colors. So it looks like this way, and if you wanted to put it down at the bottom, let me just get my little clip here. Clip this page. I found these clips at Dollar Tree, and I love them. They're just, they leave you room to just hold those pages while you're working on pages. So just to give you, and they came 6. I got a set of 6 for $1. So just to let you know that little bargain I got. Okay, there's what it looks like down there, and then up at the top. Looks like that up here. And so, or like I said, if you want to not even use the clips, if you want to use it in the middle of the page, you could, and use it as a tuck that way. Okay, and the last one is a set of these very pretty, they would go for pastel journals. Really be a pretty addition to a pastel journal. And let me just choose this one. Show you what this looks like on a page. Okay, that's what it looks like on that page. Or let's find another page. It might look pretty on that too. Maybe not that one. You don't want to hide those pretty roses. About this one, that would look very pretty. It almost matches. And then you can put it down here as a clip. See what it looks like that way. Or up here as a clip. Or up in the top as a clip. Or in the middle. Just put it anywhere you want. Okay, so those are my snippets. And as I said, and I use fabric on the back here too. I back them with a cotton quilting fabric also. So those are my snippets. And I think some of you have seen my envelope pockets. They can be put anywhere. You don't have to, if you want to, you could put a piece of washi tape or something there to just be able to open them up, and maybe put another tuck over here and use it. But I keep them separate so that you can just place them wherever, and they have 3 pieces of ephemera in them that you can write on. Each of them have the 3, and I'm using a lot of the Artie Mays and Tracy Fox type right now, but I have sets in different kind of designs of paper, and then I added this. And then I also put my tatting. My tatting's missing on here. I'll put a piece of tatting here or up here at the top. So I have these in my shop also. They come 5 to a set, and they look very nice in journals, and they make an instant page for you. If you wanted to just attach them, glue them down, and you could maybe keep it open up here to put something down here. That would be something to do also. I think it would be really pretty on this page to just... Here's another one over here I have, and I have some of my tatting on this one. This is a little flower that I make, the tatted flowers right here. And they also have, I put a butterfly down here, and they also have, and I have really pretty paper in the back here. That, and then on the back I use coordinating paper that you could, this one you can journal on. This one right here, just like that. I don't do the same thing all the time. I try to vary the papers also to where they each are individual. So those are the pockets, the floating pockets I call them. And also I just finished these. And I think some of you have seen these on some of the boards on Facebook. They are my tatted flower dangles. And I just had to make 5 sets for a lady. I don't know what she's going to do with them. That'd be interesting to know. So I made, and they come in 5 to a set. So I made 5 sets, which is 25 individual flowers. And then I had to put 2 dangles on each one. So I had to make 50 of these. So it took me a while to do them. But I also make the flowers. I already have sealed these up since I'm going to be sending them out. But you can see how I make the flowers. I buy some ribbon at Hobby Lobby and make the flowers out of this ribbon. And it's not a real shiny ribbon. It's kind of a little stretchy kind of ribbon. But you can make them out of muslin. They look cute made out of muslin too. And then you can tell I just attach the dangles to the back. So when you take these out, they just hang down. And you could do a lot with these. Somebody suggested making little hair clips out of them and using them in your hair, like for a child. Or the dangles for babies probably would be a little too long. The dangles are pretty. And these are all on my Etsy. You can see them on my Etsy. So I just wanted to give you an idea of a few of the things that are in my Etsy. Those are 3 things. Well, actually, I sell these separate because people sometimes want the pastel kind of colors, and then they also want the kind of colors for the nature type of flowers. And then I'm going to be listing these too, where they're the red. And just let me know if you can think of other colors. I probably need to do some in blue, and really blue is my favorite color. But I don't see a lot of blue journals, so I haven't done a lot in blue. I would love to be able to. Probably the seashore and things like that in the summertime, you see more blue. But mostly the bright colors and the nature colors and then the pastels is what I deal with, because that's what people seem to want. But if you have any suggestions, just let me know about fabric, because I love buying fabric. And I have other fabric too. I've got some black-eyed Susans and things like that for summer. But they're kind of bold. They're really, really bold colors, yellow and black and green. So, but just wanted to show you some of these. And as soon as I get this journal done, which is going to take me a while, I know, I will post it in my Etsy. But I sell sets of, and a lot of you probably know, I sell sets of the little flowers that are tatted and different size flowers and flowers combined with fabric. And then I sell tag toppers that are the kind that you put at the top of a tag instead of having to put ribbon. If you just want something that's it doesn't get in the way, sometimes that ribbon kind of bulks it up a little bit. So these other things make it. Then I also do tatted lengths of 12 inches and then tatted frames. I have done a lot of tatted frames lately. So thank you very much for looking, and I appreciate you watching my channel, and I'd love it if you would join me and be a subscriber. And I'm going to be working on getting a giveaway, and it'll be tatting, because I think people don't see tatting very often, and it's something different that might be fun to see if you could win the drawing for it. So I'll try to do that and in the future, and we'll just see where it goes. And thanks again, and have a nice weekend. Bye-bye.